look at that one. So,
左手からご移動お願いいたします。ご協力お願いいたします。待ち列順番設けておりません。その場から大きく手を振ってお二人にアピールをお願いします。こちらもカメラはどちらですか？お預かりします。こちらどうぞ。
do you?
行きます。
I want to. Wonderland. Oh, sorry. I think you're inside somewhere. You want Hello Kitty Cafe? So hot, huh? Oh, sorry. It's just me. Oh, there's no chair. I thought there is like. I mean, I want to wait till the the sun is coming down. I think it's better to walk around with no sun. Want ice cream? Hello Kitty ice cream. Let's go getting AC a little bit. I'm so hot. Oh, sorry. It's coming out here. How much? 2,300. It's so cute.
I want to get one of this.
Okay.
Which one out of
this one? I think this is more cute. This is more real.
This is more fluffy.
That's more fluffy. Whatever. Which one you like? This is hard. It's fluffy also. Just a little bit. Kind of hard. Maybe this one. No, this is hard. Is that the same one?
I think so. This one.
You like that one? It's fluffy or no?
I think the other one's a bit cuter though.
Okay, which one? Whatever you want.
Wait,
It's the same price.
no, it's not.
This one 3,000. This one how much? 3,500. It's only 500 out. But the other one is better.
Which one's cuter? This one's cute.
Yeah. I mean, are you going to put in your backpack?
No, in my room. I don't want it to get dirty.
Who are you talking to?
This one's smiling.
Yeah, this one looks more smile. How much is that?
3,500.
Okay, 3,500. 3,500. Oh, I need AC a little bit. It's so hot. This one 2,600. And then this one
3,500.
3,500. Okay, let's go with us. Yes? Yes? Let me see if you guys look the same. Oh my god! You guys twins!
Like this?
Yeah.
Size medium or large size plus 20 yen.
That one or that one?
Medium, okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3 items. こちら6,120円です。レシート用意しますね。
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。はい。Oh, now hot again. Are you going there yet? That way. Oh. Where? Imagination Playland. Won't go there? That's a play place. Oh. Oh, okay. Just go. No one. Oh, the water splash thing. You want to go right? The water? Where? Hey, what is there? It's a wind. Oh, so nice. Whoa. Okay. Let's go. This is for kids. For 5 years old. Just getting cold a little bit there. I'll take a picture with us. Getting cold now. Before it was really hot, now it's cold. I mean, like before it's not really hot. It's just shiny. The wind is cold. Oh, that's the frozen melon. I think I will be throwing up after that. Konnichiwa. 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 Nice, speak like Japanese. Konnichiwa. like Mario Bros song. It less waiting in line. Less people now. Hello Kitty. I like that. Where did I get that? I like it. Is that for kids? Can I take that everywhere? Change it my backpack.